Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the water filter inlet line in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Shut off the water supply as well. Have an assistant help you to pull the appliance away from the wall. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screw securing the water supply line retainer to the rear panel. Use a 1/2-inch wrench or an adjustable wrench to unthread the compression nut to detach the supply line from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Now unthread the remaining screws, securing the access panel. Set the panel aside. Detach the retainer and use a 7/16" wrench to depress the retaining ring to release the old water filter inlet line from the valve. Now remove all of the shelving and drawers from the refrigerator compartment. Next, press the water filter in firmly to unlock, then pull straight out. Use a putty knife to help detach the side access panel to the water filter housing. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver or a No. 2 square drive bit, unthread the screw securing the water filter cover. Pull the cover straight forward to remove. Cut the silicone to release the water line. Remove the foam insert if still intact. Depress the retaining ring to release the water line from the port. You can now release the old line from the retaining sleeve and pull it free. Install the new water filter inlet line by feeding the straight end through the hole in the liner. Secure the line in the retaining sleeve. Insert the line into the water filter base port until fully seated. Slide the cover into place and thread the screw. Snap on the side access panel. Reinstall the water filter by aligning the guides with the slots in the housing, then push the filter in until it locks into place. Confirm there is enough slack in the water line to reach the valve, then replace the foam insert. Use silicone to help secure the water lines. Replace the shelving and drawers. Fully insert the new water line into the valve port and secure with the retainer. Reinstall the access panel. Attach the water supply line to the inlet valve by threading the compression nut. Avoid over-tightening the nut. Slide on the retainer and secure it to the rear panel with the access panel mounting screw. Push the refrigerator back against the wall. Turn the water supply back on. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.